Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech insights. Today we're diving into OwnCloud, a powerful platform that allows you to take control of your digital life. Located at OwnCloud.com, this open-source solution provides a secure and versatile way to manage your files, contacts, calendars, and more. Think of it as your own personal cloud, offering the convenience and accessibility of popular commercial cloud services, but with the added benefit of complete data ownership and privacy. Instead of entrusting your valuable data to large corporations, OwnCloud empowers you to host your own cloud server. This means your files reside on your own hardware, giving you ultimate control over access, security, and data retention policies. You decide who sees what, and where your information is stored. This is a game-changer for individuals and businesses concerned about data privacy and security in today's digital landscape. OwnCloud.com offers a wealth of information for those interested in exploring this self-hosted cloud solution. You'll find comprehensive documentation, community forums, and download links to get started. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, yet highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. Whether you're looking to synchronize files across multiple devices, share documents securely with colleagues, or simply create a backup of your important data, OwnCloud offers a robust and flexible platform to achieve your goals. Beyond personal use, OwnCloud is also a compelling option for businesses of all sizes. It provides a cost-effective alternative to traditional file servers and cloud storage solutions, while offering enhanced security and control. With features like file sharing, collaboration tools, and version control, OwnCloud can streamline workflows and improve productivity. Explore the possibilities of owning your cloud and experience the peace of mind that comes with having complete control over your digital world. Visit OwnCloud.com today to learn more and embark on your journey towards digital sovereignty. Remember, your data, your rules.